To figure out the scale factor that's used to get from figure 1 to figure 2, remember you want to make sure that it's going that much bigger or that much smaller in all directions, not just one direction. So it doesn't actually have to be from one vertex to another. I'm going to draw a line segment from A to C and then a line segment here on figure 2. And you'll notice that this one is 2 units from A to C in figure 1, and the distance for the corresponding line segment that I drew in figure 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. We can also look at it going in a vertical direction. So the line segment, even though it's not inside the figure, from top to bottom here is 3 units. And from Q to R, if we count how many units this is 9 units. So how do we get from figure 1 to figure 2? Well, you get from 2 to 6 or from 3 to 9 by multiplying by 3. So 2 times our scale factor is giving us 6 units. We can also say 3 times our scale factor gives us 9 units. And our scale factor in both cases is 3. So that's the answer to this problem.